Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to unlock Snapchat account when permanently locked. So all you have to do is to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser here. And then what you're going to do next is you have to type this fix Snapchat account locked or fix Snapchat account lock, or let's just say permanently locked. Now, if you tap this one here, and then you can only see the option temporarily locked. So what you're going to do if your Snapchat is temporarily locked. Now you have to click this, my Snapchat account is locked. Then if you go to the section or the option here, then you will see this. My account was locked for violating Snap's community guidelines. And you can see this, my account was temporarily locked. So all you have to do is to click this one if your account was temporarily locked. Now, what if your account was permanently locked? So that's the question what you're going to do. So go back and you need to type Snapchat support. Click this one. Now you have to scroll down here and then click this I can't access my account. So once you tap this one, then it will take you directly to another page. Now you will see the option right here. And unfortunately, we cannot see this permanently locked. So you can only see this temporarily locked. So in that case, what you're going to do is to go back till you see contact us option. So you kind of see it right here. Okay, so you have to go back and look for contact us. So go back again to Snapchat support, scroll down, and then click this need to get in touch, contact us. And then here, what you're going to do is simply submit a request. Now you can click this I can't access my account, and then I see an error message when I log in. Okay, and then you have to scroll down here till you see this submit a request. All you have to do is to enter username, email address, your mobile number, and of course the description. So you can state here that please to help me. My account was permanently locked. You can reach me at this, and you can write more description and information asking that you really need your Snapchat account to be unlocked. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.